Hello guys, so welcome once more to Just the Chat. Currently on my screen, you are seeing two different things. You are seeing volatility index and you are seeing currency pair. So I will be explaining on today's video the difference between synthetic index and which is the binary or the derived market, and that of what and the Forex market. I'll be explaining what are the difference. If you don't have a clue, just hold on. I will be explaining everything. The Forex market has to do with trading currency pairs. For example, you are currently seeing on my screen. This is Euro USD. This is Great British Pound and the United States dollar. This is USD and Japanese yen. So on the forex market, you're actually trading what? You're actually trading pairs. You're actually trading a currency pair against the other, a currency pair what against another, a currency pair against another. But on the derived market or on the synthetic market, here on the other hand, it is being offered by a broker called what? Called binary or derive. And they are not pairs. They are not pairs. As you can currently see, this is volatility 10 index, this is volatility 100 index, this is volatility 25 index, this is volatility 50 index, and so on and so on. They are not pairs, unlike the first market where you need what? Where you need two pairs. Two pairs. On the first market, you actually need what? Two pair to be able to trade. But on the derived market, on the static market, you don't actually need any pairs. They are all alone. They are all alone. And the synthetic market does not close like the forex market. The synthetic market trades 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and what? And 12 months a year. But to the forex market do closes every weekend and open the next week, and they do close on celebration period. They do close on celebration period like the New Year celebration, and the synthetic market on the other hand, they don't do that at all. And secondly, the next thing you must note is that on the synthetic market here, the synthetic market which is derived here, it is being offered by only one broker called the derive or binary. I think they rebranded to binary. They rebranded to binary. So you can actually trade it on just one broker. Just one broker. I would drop the link where you can actually register on derive on the description of this video. Okay, you can actually use that link to register. Whatever question you have, you can actually ask me, send them to my DM. I will drop my WhatsApp number, and I'll also drop my Signal channel where I give free analysis on the forex market and the synthetic market. Okay, so the synthetic markets on the synthetic market, they actually offered by only derive. While here on the forex market, they have several brokers, thousands of brokers that offers what? That offers the opportunity for the forex market. You can actually trade forex on several brokers, thousands of them. Okay, you can actually trade the forex market on them. You can actually trade there are so many brokers there. I don't want to mention them. But on the synthetic market, on the other hand, you cannot see it on another broker, only on one broker, and what's it called? The link will be on the description of this video. And then something you must also know about the derive and the forex market, is that the forex market here, as you can currently see, we are having currency pairs. What does this simply means that the movement of these currency pairs depend on the economic of a particular country, of each country. Okay, for example, now the Great British Pounds and the USD, I'm referring to this. I'm referring to this Great British Pounds and the USD. If the Great British Pounds, for example, is bearish, what do I mean by bearish? If the Great British Pounds is weak, the economy of Great British is weak. USD will be going up. That means Great British Pounds will be going down, will be selling because what? It is weak. But on the synthetic market, there's nothing like that. There's nothing that affects the movement. There's nothing that affects the movement. No economy is here. This market is being programmed by the broker, but they move the same way as what? As the forex market. This is the forex chart. Let us open the chart. This is currently the forex market. Are you seeing the market chart? Are you seeing this? Are you seeing the market charts? Are you seeing? This is the market chart. Are you seeing we're having something like a double bottom here that moved this market upward? Same thing in the derived market. Yeah, so let's come to something like, let's say volatility 10 index. Are you seeing this? This is double top, triple top. The market is coming down. So the same movements are you seeing the chart? Are you seeing the chart? The same movement like that of the forex market is what we are currently seeing here as well. The same movement we saw on the forex market, the same movement we are seeing on the synthetic market as well. Are you seeing this double bottom? This double bottom, but it doesn't mean they are related. It doesn't mean they're related. What do I mean? I'm talking in terms of chart, in terms of movement. They are the same thing, but This market is not being influenced by any government. It is being influenced by what? By only the broker. By only the broker. So you can actually trade it and make profit. I trade the synthetic market and the forex market, and I can tell you they are both what? They are both profitable. They are both profitable what? For profitable market. Then the next thing is that there's what is called lot size. Lot size is actually called a position size. What does it simply means? It means the amount you are staking into the market. That's what position size is all about. On the first market, we have three type of lot size. We have three type of lot size. We have the standard lot size, which is connoted as zero, as 1.0. This is a standard lot size. Then we have a mini lot size, which is connoted as 0.0.1, and then we have the micro lot size, which is connoted as 0.01. On this 0.1 here, a one pip movement is equals to $10, and you can actually increase it. You can actually increase and reduce them. You can actually, this is 0.1. This is a mini lot size. You see, this is 1. You can actually take it to 5. This is a what? A standard lot size. This is a what? This one currently is a mini lot size. But on the synthetic market, it is not like that. The lot sizes are very, very different. If you don't understand how the movements are, you can go there and make lot of mistakes. If you want to actually trade it and you don't have any idea, you can actually hit me up my DM. I will guide you through. Okay, so this is the synthetic market. This is 75 index. Are you seeing that it has several numbers after the decimal point? You see 0.000, which is not on the forex market. The list lot size here on 75 index, you can actually use 0.001. And then other index varies, unlike the forex market, they are all the same, but here they all varies. Are you seeing this one? This one here, the list lot size you can use is 0.30, which is what? A mini lot size on the forex market. But here, what it is the minimum you can actually use. You cannot take it to 0.001. 0.001 will not work. Are you seeing 0.001 will not work? But I take it to 0.30 for it to now actually give me an option to actually do what? To actually what? Buy and sell. So those are the differences. And another difference is that on the forex market, you can actually trade forex on both MT5 and MT4. What are MT5 and MT4? These are trading platforms. These are where you actually trading apps. Actually, these are where you can actually trade. You can register with a broker and then you trade on this platform. But the synthetic market or the derived market, you cannot trade it on MT4. You can only trade it on what? MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5. Why the first market, you can actually trade it. Some brokers offers you an option to actually use either MT4 or MT5. Okay, so that those are the difference. If you have come up to this point, I will advise you to subscribe to my channel and share this video if it is useful to you. So for now, remain blessed until we meet again. Bye for now.